Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. I am going to reveal you guys the way to make 48 bucks in step with a fiat advertising for beginners. So this is going to be free site visitors technique. You don't want to shop for any gear. Everything is free of charge. It additionally does not require quite a few work, but it requires a while to get this. Get started out with this approach because you need to create target market. So if you expect some consequences overnight, it isn't always going to take place. So that is for a number of the severe human beings which are inquisitive about associate advertising and marketing. And there are beginners, so they do not realize in which to begin. If you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure to press that subscribe button, and additionally, in case you want to see my #1 recommendation to make cash online with associate advertising and marketing, you could click the hyperlink in the description. It's miles of free method in which we are going to give an explanation for what's affiliate advertising, how making a living online works, and what are the most not unusual mistakes humans make. So in case you are inquisitive about that, you can click the link in the description and watch that loose video. So the approach that we're going to use for today is affiliate advertising with Pinterest. So a number of you guys are going to ask me why I am deciding on Pinterest. What is Pinterest and how you could make money from Pinterest with associate advertising, how you may get some site visitors for your affiliate hyperlinks and different merchandise. So I am going to expand you in the simplest way. I am going to expose you the stats of Pinterest so we are able to communicate in a bit. So to begin with, in case you test Pinterest out, you may see this is one of the largest websites inside the international 28 websites. So that means there is a lot of site visitors on Pinterest. Numerous eyeballs every day comes on Pinterest, and that they are looking for something. And if you can offer to the human beings, what are they searching for? And if you offer them ocean or a number of the product that they are interested by, they are likely going to buy it. So right here you could see site visitors inside the final month. 809 million human beings got here to this website. So there is a lot of human beings every month. Nearly 1 billion humans sees Pinterest account. So there is lots of space for absolutely everyone to make money with associate advertising or selling your product or promoting some guides or promoting, however, basically whatever you may imagine. So Pinterest is a superb platform to get began with associate advertising, guys. So how are we going to use Pinterest to get loose visitors to our affiliate links? So to begin with, what you want to understand approximately Pinterest, that is basically something like Twitter with photographs. So you can cross and we percentage a few of the images. You can add your own snapshots and you may create content material that matter. So what are we going to do is we are going to create unique boards. You could create distinctive boards. You can create what number of you ever need. You can create 10 forums, 15 forums. It would not without a doubt count number. So you can create what number of you want, and also you do not want to create your own content material. You could move and reshare other human beings' content material. In that manner you could offer fee to the people that are attempting to find instance for the schooling for weight loss. You may provide them cost with some of the sporting events, and that is how you can develop your account. You can see this account, the one that in the use of proper. Now I don't honestly use this account, but you may see I have 396 fans. So 396 human beings are watching my boards, and here you can see I'm following 981. I have 981 following, so I am following 91 people. So I'm going to reveal you guys how you could do that method and how you can create one-of-a-kind boards, promote your affiliate hyperlinks, and use different people's content to create some of the subsequent. So first thing is you want to create board. In case you do not have one, you can create it in 1 minute. Just click on create board right here, and you're going to be accomplished. Once you're performed with developing boards, you need to go on Pinterest and you need to scroll to this specific distinct photographs that you may promote. So initially we're going to type in fitness or weight reduction or the entirety that is related to fitness, and what I typically do is I search for the pics which can be offering some of the physical games, so there's lots of cost in those photographs due to the fact human beings are explaining how you can do a number of the sporting activities to lose weight, to stretch, to essentially be in shape. So what I typically do is I create unique forums that are providing as a good deal fee as they might, so you can click right here and pick out the exclusive boards that you need to save this photo. So I need to save this photo in my board Fitness 101. So we have stored this image to our board. This is again a brilliant instance. You could see this picture is explaining again how you can do a little physical activities, and I might say that also, so you can pass and search for all of the pics. This image right here is providing a number of the dieting that you could use for health so that you can move, and additionally store that, so everything that is supplying quite a few value on your visitors, you need to move and percentage them in your Pinterest board. So again, this is additionally outstanding image. We're going to save that. So after you want to go and save, for instance, 10 to 15 specific Pinterest one-of-a-kind pins to your board. So one-of-a-kind pics to you need to ship them on your board. We've achieved, I assume, 4 or 5 permits. Refresh the page. So right here you can see we have 5 pins in our board, so that you can see we've 396 fans. So a number of humans are going to look these pins, and if they think that they're precious, they're going to comply with your webpage greater. They need to see more of your content material, and this is how you can create a number of the network men. So loads of you guys are going to think, how I were given these 396 humans to observe me. So as I advised you within the starting of what I'm doing is I am doing comply with and follow method. So I failed to unfollow absolutely everyone. I have almost 400 humans that are following me, and I am following 900 human beings. So there you can see nearly 50% of the human beings follow me returned. So I'm going to show you guys the way you can go and find the people that are exciting on your submit, create, interact them with your content material, and after some time you can percentage them your affiliate hyperlink to the extraordinary product that you are interested by selling. So allows cross and search fitness. However, this time we don't need to pair pins. We want to look different ports. So you can see this board right here has 1381 pins. So allows click on that board, and they have loads of pictures, so that you can see that this requires a variety of work due to the fact they've almost 400 pins, extraordinary photos in this board, and that they have a variety of followers. So what you can do is you can click on the fans that are following this Pinterest board, and you could observe all of them. So you don't need to over comply with. You need to observe, for instance, each single day 50 human beings do not comply with extra, because your Pinterest account is going to get banned in case you observe like 1,000 people or 2,000 humans per day. That is no longer going to be traditional to the Pinterest customers. So you want to move and observe, for example, 50 to 80 humans according to day. This is going to keep your account safe, and once you comply with them, they're going to get notification inside the following right here, and additionally in the notifications right here. So once they see which you observe them, they're going to test out your account. They're going to test out why they follow them, what you offer, and after you see that, once they see that you have some extraordinary specific gives, like how to shed pounds with weight reduction plan, what sports to do some abs, a few abs trainings, they are going to be like, I need to observe this guy due to the fact he affords loads of price. So this is how you could cross and create a number of the small network of the people which might be going to peer and watch your snapshots. So once you create those small network of photographs, you need to go and share a number of the affiliate links to those humans. But how? You need to upload your associate links. You shouldn't do it each day. You shouldn't go and promote each unmarried day exclusive affiliate merchandise. What I recommend you men is to promote one put up in line with week. So for example, each Saturday, you want to create one easy pin that is going to proportion a few distinctive authors, which you want to promote for your followers. So shall we embrace? We're going to use in contemporary technique, ClickBank. I am using ClickBank Associate Community due to the fact I assume that I take advantage of them in my every single video that I have made on YouTube. So what's clipping? You could discover one-of-a-kind merchandise on ClickBank to promote, like ebooks or some of the trainings for weight reduction, or one-of-a-kind distinct merchandise and categories. You can locate any area of interest on ClickBank to promote. So this is why I really like ClickBank. If you do not have account, click on create account. It is unfastened. You do not want to fear about buying something, and when you create your ClickBank account, you could click on Associate Marketplace, and we're selling weight reduction offers. So we're going to search in categories, right here, fitness and health, and right here you may see this product right here. It is one of the most popular ones at the time. So you can earn $36 in step with sale. So while a person buys the product, you may earn $36, and this is one of the maximum famous merchandise on ClickBank. So loads of people are selling this product. A lot of human beings are getting sales with this product, and that I without a doubt suggest you meant to sell something like this, as it virtually does work. So what you ought to do is I might click on in this affiliate webpage right here, and I might look for some of the snapshots that I will add as promotional tools. So I'd use this photograph for instance right here. You may say you're going to store 150. You also get a few unfastened items. So I clearly think that this image is very good. So what I am going to do is I'm going to keep this image and add it on my Pinterest account. So let's do this collectively. Shop as image say, and here you may see weave our image proper here. So how you could upload this picture for your Pinterest board. So what you need to do is you want to go in your board right here, create pin, and also you need to upload. You need to pull and drop this image proper right here. So you can see that is a superb promotional tool. It says that, as I stated, you could keep some money with this product. You are going to get a number of the one-of-a-kind products if you purchase it proper. Here you may position the identify like one of the great weight reduction merchandise in 2020. So you can tell greater approximately this product right here, and you want to place your affiliate hyperlink proper here. So something product or something platform you're using. If you are the user of ClickBank, click on promote. You may get her feeling by typing on your ClickBank ID. Click on generate hop link, and that is going to be your associate hyperlink. So what you may do is, as I stated, you may go and promote any associate link proper right here. I would not simply pass and direct link like this. I'd create a small touchdown web page. This is going to be a quick page among your associate product and your Pinterest account, because now and again, Pinterest does not permit to publish directly to affiliate links, so that you need to create some of the smaller internet site. You may create smaller loose websites for free, as I stated, and positioned their affiliate links. I'm going to expose you min instance, so we can pass in location right here, associate hyperlink, or you can location your touchdown page and click wherein you want to keep this pin. You may save it in one board or any other. I am going to store it in one which I have created all of my content. So we've got finished posting our pins. So if we look for fitness 101, so right here you could see we a few distinctive trainings that with the photographs that we didn't create and proper right here you can see. So you can ship them directly for your associate link, or you can send them at once for your landing page. So whilst a person clicks at the photograph, they are going to be dispatched to your affiliate hyperlink or landing page. So now, how are we going to? I'm going to expose you men an example of this technique. So proper here you can see this is ClickBank product. I am going to find it. So only a second. So that is the product we are going to speak about. So right here, flat stomach repair. You can see you could earn $42.45 in step with sale, and this man proper right here is promoting it on Pinterest. So if we click at the photo right here you can see the 21-day flat belly restoration overview. So while someone clicks In this image right here they are going to be sent to this evaluation web page of flat belly photos product on ClickBank, and when someone clicks on any link they may be going to be sent to the affiliate link. So while a person buy the product, this man goes to earn a fee. So guys, that is a very good instance of how affiliate advertising and marketing works in action. So you can see the product they've a few. So guys, this is an excellent example how you may do affiliate advertising and marketing with pin first and free visitors. This is additionally a proper example because you may see this man has used this promotional photo for the product and they are sending them sending their all of their viewers to the touchdown page for the product. And once you click on their landing web page, and also you click on any of the hyperlinks, they may be going to send it to their affiliate hyperlink, and that is how they make money with this method. So all it takes is to create a number of the target market at the internet site, need to create audience that are looking your content material that you really don't personally are reshoring the content material from different people, but you are developing a number of the target market on Pinterest, and when you create it you need to share, you want to proportion your affiliate link in affiliate merchandise each 7 days. In order, that is how you're making money with Pinterest and affiliate advertising and marketing on Pinterest. In case you want to see greater motion pictures like this, make certain to press that like button and